What if the things you do every day, the things that feel normal and harmless, are quietly making your brain less sharp? Because intelligence isn't just IQ, it's focus. It's how you process information. And it's how often you train your mind to think clearly. Most people don't notice the change. They lose focus. Their memory gets weaker. Deep thinking gets harder. And they blame life. Here are 4 everyday habits that do it. Habit 1. Always chasing a distraction. If you can't sit still without checking your phone, refreshing, or opening a new tab, your brain gets trained for constant novelty. The problem is, boredom is where your mind organizes ideas and solves problems in the background. When you fill every quiet moment with scrolling, you teach your brain to crave quick rewards instead of staying with one thought. Deep thinking needs quiet, so start small. When you're waiting, don't reach for your phone. When you're walking, keep it in your pocket. Let your mind wander. That's not wasted time. It's training. Habit 2. Talking more than listening. If you interrupt, finish people's sentences, or argue just to win, you block new information. And if you assume you already know what someone's about to say, you stop learning before they even finish. Smart people don't listen to reply. They listen to understand. So slow down in conversations. Ask one question before you give your opinion. The goal isn't to sound intelligent. The goal is to get smarter. Habit 3. Avoiding anything that feels hard. You start a book, a skill, or a project, and the moment it gets difficult, you quit. Sometimes that isn't laziness, it's fear. Fear of failing, looking bad, or not being naturally good. But your brain grows the same way your body does, by resistance. If you never strain it, it stays weak. So when you hit that stuck feeling, don't run. Stay a little longer. Even 10 more minutes builds mental strength. Habit 4. Thinking you already know enough. This one is sneaky. When you feel like you've got it all figured out, you stop asking questions. Curiosity fades, reading gets shallow, opinions replace understanding, and your thinking narrows. A sharp mind stays curious. It tests beliefs. It changes when the facts change. Ask yourself, when was the last time you changed your mind about something important? If you can't remember, you might not be always right. You might just be done growing. So here's the point. Distraction kills focus. Talking more than listening kills learning. Avoiding hard things kills growth. And ego kills curiosity. Break even one of these habits and your mind gets clearer. Not because you forced it, but because you stopped getting in your own way. Before you scroll, comment which habit you catch yourself doing. Like the video if it helped. And subscribe for more mindset and self-awareness content.